Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with this super cute style that we did on my Princess Margarita. So for this style, just make sure that the hair is nicely detangled, make a middle parting. Try to do that as neat as possible. Gives you a much nicer, finer result when you have neat partings. So I do this part line from the middle of her nose until the neck. So you have in the front the nose as your index where you want the middle parting, and in the neck where you have the cervicals. There you have a little gap in the neck. There this can help you. Now I'm putting one part of the hair by the side, and I start with diagonal part lines using tiny elastics in different colors. So you see this is a triangle shape, and I'm doing 4 to 5 times around the ponytail because these are super stretch hair ties and I love them. They hold very good inside. She had this style for 3 days in and had no problem. Nothing broke. It was perfect. Now parallel to our first line, again diagonally, we do the next little ponytail and make sure that it's going to be in the same line like the first one. Next color, next tiny ponytail, and you see that I insert a hair clip on the other side that just helps me to hold the ponytails away from where I'm doing the new ones. There you go. Next one, again parallel, and we are already right above her ear. I used just some water before you saw me spraying. I did not want to use so much gel, so just water. And there is the line that I describe with my little hair ties. Next color, and again 4 or 5 times. Then tighten, and we have our first 3 tiny ponytails done. And I do exactly the same thing on the other side. So triangle shape, same distance like on the other side. Just go from the middle parting diagonally to over her left eye to the right hand side when you're watching. And yes, first one, second line, again parallel. I start where the first one started so that it looks symmetrical. Take the next color, make sure that everything is neatly combed through. Your model can help with the hair ties. Make sure she has the correct order of colors. Please be so kind, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and if you turn on the little bell, then you will get notifications if we upload a new video. We do this the 3rd time now. Here's the same. The neater the part line, the better the result. I'm adding for the flyaways a tiny bit of spray gel here. And again, make sure that the 3 elastics are in the same line. Tighten it. And we are having now 3 on every side. And I'm crossing it over. The first one, oh yes, I add some hair gel to the strand. And now I'm braiding a Dutch braid. So I split the first ponytail into 3 equal strands, and I'm always braiding under the middle, outer strand under the middle. I braid until the second ponytail on the opposite side, and then I'm combining it there with the little ponytail. Comb everything through, and put it away. Now, same thing, add some hair gel. Split the first ponytail into 3 equal strands. Braid a Dutch braid, left under the middle, right under the middle, left under the middle, until you reach the second ponytail on the right hand side. So on the opposite side, pull the Dutch braid over, take another hair tie. I took the same color so that it matches. And when you attach now the hair tie, there is one trick. Make sure that the second hair tie attaches on the outer edge close to the scalp from the first hair tie, because that keeps them better together. Now again, some hair gel, again on the left hand side. Split into 3 equal strands. And braid a Dutch braid. Under the middle, left under the middle, right, left, left, until you reach the third little ponytail on the opposite side. When you're there, take the second hair tie, bring it over, make sure that it goes over the first hair tie and that it holds there under it. This secures it and makes it easier for you to work. Everything always neatly detangled. And then take the second ponytail, add again some hair gel, split this ponytail into 3 equal strands. Do another Dutch braid. Right under, left under the middle, right under the middle, left under the middle. Super easy. Braid as far so that you reach the third ponytail on the opposite side. And then take another elastic to attach it. Poor Margalida was falling asleep here, I think. Always going with her head into the direction of where I'm braiding. Now she got it. So attach it again. The, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4th braid that we did already. And now I'm using, I unraveled the left hand side, her left hand side. I'm using some hair gel with the toothbrush around the edges to make sure that everything looks neat and that flyaways are incorporated. I'm combing the gel through, and I'm taking now a tiny portion from the top. I'm starting close to the middle parting. I do again 3 equal strands. Then I take the ponytail from the opposite side. I'm splitting this into 3 equal strands too, and I incorporate it and join it to the hair that I prepared before, like this. This hair is attached to the top of the hair that I'm going to braid now. I do 2 stitches and then I'm starting to add in hair. So now you make a Dutch braid and then add in hair. Here we are on the right hand side. Now left goes under the middle. Take a new strand from the remaining hair, bring it under the middle. Right goes under the middle, and you will add now again a chunk of hair. The left goes under the middle. We add in some hair, pull tight, hold tight, and make sure that nothing unravels. You keep on braiding now until you reach the neck, and you will see that then you have no more hair to incorporate. I will get back to you when we reach there. Now these are the last strands of hair that we have to incorporate. You just do a regular Dutch braid by bringing the left under the middle, right under the middle, left under the middle, right under the middle. And if you have layers or flyaways, don't be afraid to use some gel. I'm using a natural one with olive oil, and it really helps to make the style last. Now I'm taking a hair tie, again in the colors from the top. Some more gel, everything neatly combed through. And this I like. It's actually a style that is inspired by a friend of mine, by Brianna's Braids. You find her here on YouTube or also on Instagram. She has beautiful styles, and this is one of her daughter's styles, I think, not with the braids, but the design is similar, and the finish of the pigtails too. So I really love that and wanted to try it on Margarita. Comb the hair gel always neatly through, and then split the ponytail into 3 little strands and take the first tiny portion of hair to add these 2 strands from the remaining hair. And this is how you're going to start your Dutch braid. Take the tiny portion, split it into 3 strands. I ask her to bring the hat to the side that you can see better. Join the strands and then make 3 of them. With these 3 strands we start the Dutch braid. So left goes under the middle, right goes under the middle, left goes under the middle, and then incorporate some hair. Now right goes under the middle, take a piece of hair, left goes under the middle, another chunk of hair, hold everything tight, you've seen that I'm kneeing actually because I like to have my eyes on the height of my hands. Like this is not only that you can see it better, it's also more comfortable to braid, and be always careful of your back. So this is a more comfortable position. We do exactly the same thing like on the other side. So braid until there's no more hair to incorporate. Use some hair gel for the length. And when there's nothing to incorporate anymore, you just keep on braiding the regular Dutch braid until you insert the 3 little hair ties. For the final touch, we used some foam. This you apply all over the braids and especially the top, and this will avoid flyaways to stick out, will make your hairstyle last much longer. So if you have the time, do this. Add a silky hair cap over it and then just take your hairdryer and with warm air you dry the foam, and you will see this will look so totally polished. I love the result, really, and I love the fact that it makes stay in any style so much longer. So take your time, make sure that everything dries up. I also incorporated the 2 pigtails that are braided, and make sure always, this is why she said no, I always ask if it's too hot, we don't want to burn our models or damage the hair. And here you see, look how shiny, how perfect it looks. This is our final result. Tiny ponytails braided and combined into 2 Dutch braids. I hope you like this style. If this is the case, give us a thumbs up and connect soon again when we upload our new tutorial. Bye bye, thanks for watching.